Hello, my name is Achim Kettler and I want to show you some tips and tricks about coDiagnostiX. Bye! The planning is not everything. Maybe a little bit marketing is not too bad. And for this reason, we give you the possibility to insert your company logo in every printout. How to do it? Have a look. So you can go on Extras, to Settings, and then we have the button Print Out and the possibility to insert a logo. So I search it on my computer. I go on my desktop where I have my logo. I select it, open it, and don't forget to activate Use Logo in the header of the printouts. We go on OK, and now you will find your company logo on the material list, on the details, or on the surgical protocol. Whatever you want, everyone knows that this is produced by you.